Ever felt shame that you have nothing? Especially when scrolling through Instagram and seeing those influencers showing off their parties with beautiful girls. The truth is, if they had real money, they would never spend money on these things. Stick around. You won't want to miss this eye-opening truth. Before we unravel the mysteries of where not to spend your money, let's address a prevalent issue: the Instagram influencers who claim to be financial gurus. You know the ones I'm talking about. The ones quick to shame you for your spending choices while parading their supposed frugality. There are a few things on the list where if you make over $1 million per year in your 2030s, then honestly just spend the money. It does not matter. You have enough money. For the other 99% of people watching this video that doesn't make $1 million per year, avoid these things. The first thing to avoid buying in your 20s is business class and first class flights. Now, before you crucify me, listen, business or first-class flights can be a great choice when you have significant financial abundance and are traveling for business or important events. The enhanced comfort and performance benefits make it worth the cost. However, for personal travel where it's not a business expense, careful consideration is necessary. For instance, if a return business class ticket to Bali is $6,000 compared to a $1,200 economy ticket, the extra $4,800 saved could fund amazing experiences during your stay. While the allure of business class is understandable, especially for a 6-hour flight from London to Dubai, where you might save $3,500 by choosing economy. Redirecting those savings for purchases upon arrival provides a different perspective. Whether it's buying a new computer, phone, or other items, this alternative spending can significantly enhance your overall experience. A word of caution to the successful audience considering business class for the first time: it can be addictive. Once you've experienced the luxury of business or first class, reverting to the economy becomes challenging. It's an ongoing expense that demands careful consideration. While the initial taste of luxury is enticing, it's crucial to weigh the long-term impact on your spending habits. Stretching the interval between such indulgences allows for better financial management and more rewarding alternatives for your hard-earned money. The second thing to avoid is jewelry. Avoid buying jewelry unless it holds sentimental value, like a gift for your mom, girlfriend, or wife. Jewelry for personal use often depreciates immediately, losing 40 to 80% of its value upon purchase. While watches can be a worthwhile investment and hobby, with the potential for appreciation, spending on excessive jewelry, especially in your 20s, might not be the wisest financial decision. The value you lose matters more than the initial cost. For instance, spending $250,000 on a watch can make sense if it brings you joy and acts as a secure investment. In contrast, spending the same amount on jewelry might not offer the same financial security. It's crucial to distinguish between parking money in assets that retain or appreciate, like watches or certain cars, versus spending on items that rapidly lose their worth, such as most jewelry. In your 20s, the allure of custom pieces and chains might be strong, influenced by pop culture and trends. However, it's essential to prioritize value retention over momentary satisfaction. Instead of accumulating excessive jewelry, embrace the concept that, especially in today's context, less is often more. Be mindful of your purchases, focusing on items that hold and potentially grow in value, ensuring a more secure and strategic approach to your spending habits. The third thing to avoid is crypto or gambling signal groups. Beware of crypto and gambling signal groups that promise quick gains without considering potential losses. Unlike running a service-based business, where costs are predictable, these groups involve significant risks. People often focus on potential upsides without realizing the substantial losses they might incur. Investing in a signal group could lead to losing a large portion of your investment. While some individuals may provide private crypto insights, it's crucial to avoid groups solely focused on short-term speculative gains. Instead, prioritize building skills and creating value to earn money independently, ensuring a more sustainable and strategic approach to financial growth. The fourth thing to avoid is strip clubs or casinos. In my life, I've embraced various experiences, having explored LSD and other realms by the age of 17 or 18. This diversity has contributed to my grounded perspective despite financial success. While I've never been to a strip club or casino, it's not a judgment but a conscious choice. I intend to explore these at some point, not from a high horse position, but to understand firsthand. Personally, spending $10,000 isn't a significant concern, but for someone earning $100,000 annually, blowing $3,000 in a casino is unwise. I've observed people spending money recklessly or entering with misguided intentions, hoping to triple their funds. In your 20s, it's advisable to avoid such expenditures and allocate your funds more wisely, focusing on experiences that contribute positively to personal growth and financial stability. The fifth and last thing to avoid is OnlyFans regardless of your financial situation. One thing you should never spend money on is OnlyFans. It's ironic that some guys hesitate to invest $20 in Skillshare for a wealth of courses but readily drop that amount on an OnlyFans subscription. Moreover, subscribing to OnlyFans reinforces the idea that one lacks abundance with women, resorting to paying for access to someone's content. Insights from people in the industry reveal that the monthly subscription is just the tip of the iceberg. Surprisingly, these platforms are often managed by guys, not the girls you think you're engaging with. In essence, you're funding someone's life without any real connection. In a world where this is unfortunately common, my advice remains, do not pay for OnlyFans. If this exploration into spending illusions resonates with you, hit that subscribe button, join our community of mindful spenders, and let's continue this journey together.